What's up? It's your boy King 42 back at the time. I know I ain't hollered y'all in a long ass time, but hey, I'm back. This is a re-dread update. I mean, I say re-dread because I took my dreads down. And, I don't know, they was kind of getting on my nerves over there, and I wanted to kind of like a new look. And so I took them down. Yeah, cause some people say you can't take dreads down. You can't take dreads down. I mean, I got bought this little stuff from the store, and I just started taking them out. You can look from other videos, they was kind of locked. But nah, I took them out, though. And now I got them back. I don't know. I don't even know why I took them down in the first place, but I took them down. Now I got the two-strand dread, the two-strand twist method. Yeah, my hair got long though. Yeah, pretty cool. I got a question. Even when you had dreadlocks for your first time, it shouldn't take that long to lock the second time, should it? Yeah, I don't know. I'm out, bro.